This Sunday, climate extremes from more fires to far less ice. Ann Curry looks at what has become the new normal. And later, ordinary objects brought together in an extraordinary tribute to the victims of the Boston bombings. We're back with an intriguing look at some of the extremes we've been seeing in weather and climate around the world. For the last year, Ann Curry and NBC News have been tracking these changes from one end of the earth to the other for a documentary that airs tonight here on NBC. Here is part of what Ann found in her reporting.
West 6 to 12 gusts to 20.
Jim Houston leads California's Laguna Hotshots, an elite group of firefighters on the front lines of some of the biggest and most ferocious fires in the country.
How have fires changed since you started fighting them?
From when I started in '89 to now, it seems like the fire seasons have gone much longer. When I first started, it was within a 6-month period, basically June to November.
But that has changed dramatically, he says.
We joke about it being a year-round fire season.
We can say some general things that we expect to happen as the planet warms. And one of those things is that the Southwest will get drier.
We have what seems to be, at least for now, a very abnormal situation.
Well, not abnormal in that this is the new normal.
And that new normal has sparked a new theory about wildfires, a theory that led us to the top of the world. American glaciologist Jason Box has been studying Arctic ice for 20 years, and he says the ice is melting on a scale and at a speed scientists have never imagined possible.
Look at that!
Box has a surprising new theory about what may be speeding up the warming.
As you can see, it's kind of wanting to pull.
The usually pristine ice looked dirty gray in places.
That's all going to crash down.
In that is some wildfire soot.
It was hard to imagine, but Box was saying that soot from wildfires in North America had traveled all the way here, coating the ice with carbon particles, transforming it into what he calls dark snow.
And what happens with dark ice, dark snow?
Light-absorbing impurities trap more sunlight, and that can hasten the melting process.
And if there are more forest fires, then there's going to be more soot.
Yeah.
Soot potentially adding to the cycle of melting climate scientists say we all need to know more about. Ann Curry, NBC News, the Arctic.
You can watch the entire documentary right after this broadcast here on NBC.